Welcome in Inspiring English Academy. You have successfully been enrolled for Business English Expressions with Vocabulary.
Good evening, everybody. You're welcome in the third day of Business English Workshop, Business English course, in Business English Expressions with Vocabulary course. And in this course, we are going to see a lot of vocabulary used in American business world, So these words will help you to understand American customer, American clients, and to make your present English more effective and fluent. So our today's 31st word is give someone a pat on the back. Give someone a pat on the back. It's a very important word, and we use these words in every language. So what is the meaning of to give someone a pat on the back? To give someone a pat on the back means to tell someone that they did a good job. So that is, it means, what is the meaning of give someone a pat on the back in Hindi? किसी की पीठ थपथपाना. तो हम किसी की पीठ थपथपाते हैं तो कब थपथपाते हैं? जब कोई अच्छा काम करता है तो हम उसकी पीठ थपथपाते हैं. So the boss give Brian a pat on the back for coming up with such a good idea. इतने अच्छे विचार के साथ आने के लिए बॉस ने ब्रायन की पीठ पर थपथपाया. Give someone a pat on the back, it means शाबाश की देना. When my students speak fluent in English, I give my students a pat on the back. Okay? जब मेरे स्टूडेंट्स फ्लुएंट अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं तो मैं मेरे स्टूडेंट्स की पीठ थपथपाता हूँ. When my students, I repeat, please repeat after me. This is not a listening class. This is a speaking class, so please repeat after me. When my students speak English fluently, I give my students a pat on the back. Okay? When I cleared my UPSC exam, my father gave me a pat on my back. When I cleared UPSC exam, my father gave me a pat on my back. जब मैंने यूपीएससी एग्जाम क्लियर किया तो मेरे फादर ने मेरी पीठ थपथपाई. ओके? When the constable caught the criminals, then police inspector gave that constable a pat on his back. I repeat. When the constable caught the criminal, then police inspector gave that constable a pat on the back. जब कांस्टेबल ने एक क्रिमिनल को पकड़ा तो पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर ने उसकी पीठ थपथपाई. When the manager crossed the target, the president of my company gave him a pat on his back. जब मैनेजर ने एक टारगेट पूरा किया तो हमारे प्रेसिडेंट ने उसकी पीठ थपथपाई. Understand everybody? So it is पीठ थपथपाना. Give someone a pat on the back, it means पीठ थपथपाना. Now second word is what? Give the thumbs down. बहुत स्लोली आज बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स की सजेशंस थे कि थोड़ा सा स्लोली बताना है जी, तो मैं आज स्लोली बता रहा हूँ. Give the thumbs down. What is the meaning of give the thumbs down? To give something or someone the thumbs down means to deny the approval. मना करना, अप्रूवल को मना करना या किसी को अनुमति नहीं दर्शाना. That is give the thumbs down. ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, give the thumbs down. Thumbs down, it means I am not agree with you. That is thumbs down. So give the thumbs down It means to give something or someone the thumbs down means to deny approval. So when I'm going to tell you the Hindi meaning of it. Give the thumbs down, it means अनुमति से इनकार करने के लिए विरोध प्रदर्शित करना. अनुमति से इनकार करना या विरोध प्रदर्शित करना. That is give the thumbs down. I can't believe, I'm going to tell you the Hindi, one English sentence. I can't believe she gave us the thumbs down. I thought it was a great idea. मुझे विश्वास हो नहीं रहा है कि उसने हमें अनुमति नहीं दी है. मुझे लगा कि यह एक अच्छा विचार है. Okay? Nowadays, corrupt ministers. Nowadays, very important sentence for everybody. Nowadays, corrupt ministers give the thumbs down to the honest officers. आजकल करप्ट मिनिस्टर ऑनेस्ट ऑफिसर को अनुमति नहीं देते हैं फॉर गुड प्रोजेक्ट्स, अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए. Nowadays, corrupt ministers give the thumbs down to honest officer for the good projects in the country. Okay? When my mom gave the thumbs down to me to go for the trip, I was upset with her. When my mom gave the thumbs down to me for the trip, I was upset with her. जब मेरे मॉम ने ट्रिप के लिए मना किया तो मैं कुछ दिनों के लिए अपसेट था. Understand? So give the thumbs down, it means अनुमति नहीं देना. अनुमति नहीं देना या विरोध प्रदर्शित करना. Nowadays, youngsters give the thumbs down to their elders openly. Okay? I'm just going to repeat it. Repeat this. Nowadays, youngsters give the thumbs down to their elders openly. अभी youngsters openly अपने से बड़े लोगों को अनुमति विरोध प्रदर्शित करते हैं. Like give the thumbs down. Why are you giving the thumbs down to my proposal? Very important sentence and very simple sentence to understand. Why are you giving the thumbs down to my proposal? आप मेरे proposal को क्यों मना कर रहे हो? Why are you giving the thumbs down to my proposal? आप मेरे proposal को क्यों मना कर रहे हो? In this way, give the thumbs down, it means विरोध प्रदर्शित करना. That is called give the thumbs down. Now next is give the thumbs up. मना करना, support करना. Like this is give the thumbs up and this is give the thumbs down. Give the thumbs up, give the thumbs up, give the thumbs down. Give the thumbs up, give the thumbs down. So give the thumbs up, it means to give the approval to the project, and give the thumbs down, it means to deny the approval. Okay? So they gave our new proposal the thumbs up. We are going out to celebrate tonight. मतलब उन्होंने हमारे नए प्रस्ताव को अनुमति दी है जिसे हम आज रात मनाने जा रहे हैं. मतलब हमारे नए प्रस्ताव को अनुमति मिली है. Give the thumbs up. When the president of my company gave the thumbs up to my project, I was very happy and proud. जब प्रेसिडेंट ने मेरे प्रोजेक्ट को अनुमति दी तो मैं बहुत ही आनंदी और अभिमानी था, प्राउड था. Understand? When the president of my company gave the thumbs up to my project, I was happy and proud. Repeat after me. This is not a listening class, friends. This is not a listening class. This is a speaking class. So repeat after me. When my president of my company gave the thumbs up to my project, I was happy and proud. When the government of Maharashtra gave the thumbs up to the vaccination in the state, all the Maharashtrians were thankful to the government. Once again, I am going to tell you this very important sentence. When the government of Maharashtra gave the thumbs up to the vaccination, all the Maharashtrians were happy and all the Maharashtrians were thankful to the government. जब गवर्नमेंट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र ने वैक्सीनेशन को अनुमति दी तो सभी महाराष्ट्रियंस अपने गवर्नमेंट के लिए धन्यवाद दे रहे थे. That is, gave the thumbs up to the government. Okay. When the government gave the thumbs up to the vaccination, all the Maharashtrians were thankful to the government. Okay. Now simple, I'm just going to tell you the simple sentence. Why are you not giving the thumbs up to your brother's project? Negative sentence. Why are you not giving the thumbs up to your brother's project? आप अपने ब्रदर्स के, आप अपने भाई के प्रोजेक्ट को अनुमति क्यों नहीं दे रहे हो? आप अपने भाई के प्रोजेक्ट को अनुमति क्यों नहीं दे रहे हो? Why are you not giving the thumbs up to your brother's project? Okay. Why is that cricketer not giving the thumbs up to the youngsters for the coaching? वह क्रिकेटर यंगस्टर्स को कोचिंग के लिए क्यों अनुमति नहीं दे रहा है? In this way, you can make a lot of sentences with the help of this word like thumbs up. Now go broke. Very important sentence. I'm going to tell you in a slow speed, by that you can understand it, you can write down it, and you can make a lot of sentences after the class. So go broke. What is the meaning of go broke? Go broke, it means go bankrupt, कर्ज बाजारी होना. Go broke, it means कर्ज बाजारी होना. Go broke, it means कर्ज बाजारी होना या कर्ज में डूबना. Go broke. There was too much competition and their expenses were too high. They eventually went broke. बहुत अधिक प्रतिस्पर्धा थी और उनके खर्चे भी बहुत थे. वे अंततः कर्ज में डूब गए. So go broke, it means कर्ज में डूबना. My friend started, very very useful and very relevant sentence. My friend started his company 2 months before the lockdown and he went broke after the 2 months of the lockdown. My friend started his company before the 2 months of the lockdown and he went broke after the 2 months of the lockdown. मेरे फ्रेंड ने लॉकडाउन के 2 महीने पहले कंपनी चालू की और लॉकडाउन के 2 महीने बाद वो कर्जों में डूब गया. Understand? Many small businessmen went broke in Corona pandemic. Many small businessmen went broke in Corona pandemic. बहुत सारे छोटे उद्यमी कोरोना पैंडेमिक में कर्ज में डूब गए. If you want to enjoy the life, very important sentence. If you want to enjoy the life, don't go broke. If you want to enjoy the life, don't go broke. यदि आपको अपना जीवन में मजा करना है, एंजॉय करना है, तो कभी भी कर्जबाजारी नहीं होना. कभी भी कर्ज में डूबना नहीं. Now next sentence, very important sentence. Go down the drain. Go down the drain. Go down the drain, it means when someone wastes or loses something, it is said to go down the drain. It means व्यर्थ चले जाना. He dropped out of college in his 3rd year and never continued his studies. All of his hard work and money went down the drain. उन्होंने अपने 3रे वर्ष में कॉलेज छोड़ दिया और कभी भी अपनी पढ़ाई जारी नहीं रखी. उनकी सारी मेहनत और पैसा व्यर्थ चला गया. Go down the drain मतलब गटार में जाना. हम बोलते हैं ना, तुम्हारी सब मेहनत गटार में चली गई मतलब वेस्ट हो गई, व्यर्थ हो गई. that is go down the drain. Okay, when I opened one new branch before the lockdown, all the efforts went down the drain after the lockdown. जब मैंने लॉकडाउन के पहले एक नई ब्रांच ओपन की तो मेरे सभी एफर्ट्स लॉकडाउन के बाद व्यर्थ हो गए. Go down the drain. If you want to make your efforts successful, you should be aware about going down the drain. यदि आपको सक्सेसफुल होना है तो आपको आपकी मेहनत को व्यर्थ जाना नहीं देना चाहिए. Don't go down the drain. Don't start any new business in Corona pandemic. Don't start any new business in Corona pandemic. Otherwise, your business will go down the drain. आप कोरोना पैंडेमिक में कोई भी नया बिजनेस चालू मत कीजिए, नहीं तो आपकी मेहनत व्यर्थ चली जाएगी. There is no demand in the market. So please don't go down the drain by producing more products. मार्केट में अब कोई डिमांड नहीं है, इसलिए ज्यादा प्रोडक्ट तैयार करके उसको व्यर्थ जाने मत दो. दैट इज गो डाउन द ड्रेन, व्यर्थ जाना. ओके, I got all the degrees in Sanskrit, but I made my career in English. So my all hard work to get the Sanskrit knowledge went down the drain. I got all the degrees in Sanskrit, but I made my career in English. So my hard work to get the Sanskrit degrees went down the drain. Okay, in this way, go down the drain, it means व्यर्थ जाना.